At mukhang napahiya ang President wannabe na pambato ng mga kakamping na si Senator Risa Hontiveros. Nagkainitan kasi si Hontiveros at si Senator Pia Cayetano patungkol sa amendment sa Magna Carta of Barangay Health Workers. Sa nasabing diskusyon, kinuwestiyon ni Cayetano si Hontiveros na siyang sponsor ng bill kung papaano masisigurado ng nasabing pag-amyenda ang negosyo ng mga private hospitals, lalo na kung tatanggalin ang promissory note system. Pinuna nga ni Senator Pia Cayetano si Hontiveros dahil ang mga sagot ni Senator Hontiveros ay hindi umano nakalagay sa panukala na kanyang ipinapasa. At dito talagang ginisa ni Senator Pia Cayetano ang nagmamagaling na feeling magaling ni si Senator Risa Hontiveros. Panoorin natin ito.
Should we suspend? Because what Her Honor is saying is not written in the bill. So I don't know if
We
Her
may
Honor
suspend,
would
Mr. President,
like
but-
me to approach and try to explain, because I understand what Her Honor is trying to say. What I'm saying is it's not written in the bill.
Ayun.
Mr.
You
President,
can
we
ask
may
your
suspend.
staff because it's not written in the bill.
We may suspend, Mr. President, but it is actually written in the bill, and I was
Kindly read
quoting
it.
the gentlelady
Kindly read it
when I
into the
responded to her
record.
question.
Then read it into the record, because yung binanggit niyong 5 items, nandyan nakasulat yan. But line 27, section 2, line 27 says, the promissory note shall be secured by
Oh.
any or a combination of the following. Yun
So,
nga
yun.
kung binanggit nyo, nandyan yan. But it says a promissory note will be secured. My question was, paano mabubuhay ang mga ospital kung wala ng promissory note?
Tama.
Hindi nyo pwedeng ibato ito kasi ito sabi, the promissory note will be secured by the following. Perhaps Your Honor would like to make an amendment that says that in lieu of the promissory note, kasi yun ho ang sinasabi ninyo. Ang sinasabi ko, hindi nga ho nakasulat. So would you like to
Ay.
propose? Because we are happy to study and support. But hindi nga ho nakasulat yun. Yun lang naman ang puntos ko. Hindi pwede kasi yung intention natin hindi klaro sa
Oo,
batas.
tama.
Well, that's why I'm glad, Mr. President, that we are in the period of amendments, because
That's why I'm glad.
This representation is very open to proposed amendments, including subject to style, to not just improve the content of the bill, pero klaruhin ang crystal clear kung ano po yung intent
Crystal
niya.
clear.
So no problem with that, Mr. President.
Oh, no problem.
Yes, and that is what I'm doing by using the period of amendment to make the interpellation.
No problem na lang si Hontiveros
known
eh.
to the sponsor that what she is saying is not in the bill. So I believe if yun po ang intention ng sponsor, then kayo po ang isulat niyo po yun. Kasi kayo ang nagsabing yun yung gusto niyong gawin eh. Di kayo po ang magsulat nun.
Tama.
And we will be happy to review it. Kasi hindi ko po amendment yun. Ako yung nagtatanong kung ano ang gagawin ng ospital kung wala siyang promissory note. So sabi niyo ito. So tinatanong ko, saan nakasulat yun?
Yun.
No
Oh,
problem, Mr. President. We can
No
improve
problem na lang eh.
this very period of amendments.
Thank you. Tapos balikan ho natin yung expenses, no? I can suspend and Her Honor can look at her numbers because I will also be presenting numbers. Her Honor also mentioned 50K to 1 million per patient. So does Her Honor intend to, kasi yun yung unang binanggit nyo. So does Her Honor intend to come up with a number based on those, that range of expense? That Her Honor mentioned. Kasi kailangan nga natin ng number because we have to find out where will we get this amount
tama.
to support naman these private hospitals. Otherwise, this is a disaster because ang mangyayari, pipila lang sila sa Malacanang, magmamakaawa sila na wag ipasa to. Sayang naman yung effort natin dahil we all have the same intention. Pagandahin yung health system natin.
Yun.
Wag ma-detain ang mga tao, masuportahan ng mga indigents, but we have to know our numbers
Yes.
before we make this kind of
Diba?
amendments. And
Klaro.
one more on that section, so maybe we can take a break so we can work on this section.
Before we go on to the one more point of the gentle lady, Mr. President, definitely this is not going to turn out to be a disaster.
Talaga?
The whole
Ngayon pa
point
nga
of,
lang, Diyos ko.
The bill, as the gentle lady herself has said, is to amend and update the original law. And that is why we are in the period of amendment to further improve it, Mr. President.
The only reason I use the word disaster, Mr. President, because time and again, the small private hospitals have practically kneeled down in front of us, begging us for support.
Totoo.
So pag pinasa natin to, hindi dahil sa hindi natin kinonsider yung burden sa kanila, then disaster yun para sa kanila. Kung disaster yun para sa kanila, disaster yun sa healthcare system natin
Yes.
because we are partners. Yun lang naman ang sa akin. We are partners, public
Pabara-bara
and private.
kasi si
May mga
Ontiveros,
lugar, and
eh.
again, the Senate President is listening intently. Thank you because alam nyo din to. There are areas where there are no public hospitals. So,
totoo.
private hospital yung inaasahan mo doon. Tapos, kung yung mga indigent patients, sabi natin, magpapasa tayo, wala nang promissory note. At again, forgive me kung hindi ko lang naiintindihan. Kaya nga sabi ko, please feel free to point it out and educate me kung saan dyan nakalagay. Ano ba yung in lieu of the promissory note na matatanggap ng ospital? Kasi, kung wala, mababaon sila sa utang,
Totoo.
magsasara sila. And that threat has happened many times. Alam ni Senate President yan. Will Her Honor be willing to hear this representation's proposed amendments?
Definitely, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President, because earlier this morning, Her Honor put on record that no amendments were submitted.
Ay.
None may have been submitted, but our name is on the list to propound amendments. So thank you to the Majority Floor Leader who was gracious enough to allow us to still propose our amendments.
You're welcome, Mr. President. I made a record earlier
I
that
thank
there
the
were...
Majority Floor Leader, not Her Honor, because Her Honor closed the period of amendments despite our name being there.
Pahiya.
Well, Mr. President, just to reiterate, in this morning's session of the special session, I made of record that there were no more committee amendments.
Ano ka ngayon, Ontiveros?
And no other colleagues had submitted proposed individual amendments. And I said repeatedly more than once that if the body allows, that I would respectfully move to close the period of amendments. And that is also why, Mr. President, this afternoon, when the Majority Leader asked me on behalf of the gentlelady from Taguig and Pateros to reopen, I readily agreed. Because my interest, like any other member of the chamber, is to move our bills forward. And if this afternoon the gentlelady is desirous to present the amendments, then by all means, I gave way to the reconsideration, Mr.
Thank you.
President.
I'll just remind the body that the practice is usually staff to coordinate if there's a name on the list, because sometimes the person who made the reservation would waive their right, and that's quite common. Or sometimes they would submit their amendments, or sometimes they would ask for a later time. So on that note, I'm ready to proceed.
Ang sabi nga sa comment section, abogaga versus abogada. Iba talaga ang may alam sa batas. Iba talaga ang abogado, ang lawyer. At iba talaga ang sa index card lamang at sa staff umaasa. Diba, Ontiveros? Napahiya tuloy si Ontiveros sa sobrang confident na akala niya malulusot niya ito. Buti na lamang marunong mag-isip si Senator Pia Cayetano kung hindi magiging disaster nga naman ang bill na ito na pinopropose ni Ontiveros. Walang nagawa si Ontiveros eh. Ang sabi niya, no problem Mr. President. Nag-agree na lang. Kasi wala siyang alam. Kumbaga naggagaling-galingan. Nagdudunong-dunungan. Sigurado, mapapahiya na naman ang mga camping neto. Ito ba ang klaseng presidente nyo? Meron pa kayong kamakailan lang risa na. Tapos ganito, simpleng ganito lamang na debate. Hindi makasagot ng maayos. Napapahiya. Ganito bang klaseng presidente ang gusto ninyo? Sigurado, itong debate nila Senator Risa Ontiveros at si Pia Cayetano ay bidang-bida si Ontiveros sa kanyang TikTok at Facebook. Palalabasin nila na si Senator Pia pa yung nasa palpal ni Ontiveros. Diyos ko po. Ay kitang-kita naman ngayon. Napanood niyo yung video. Sino ang nagmukhang walang alam sa batas? Sinong nagmukhang walang alam sa lahat-lahat? Si Ontiveros. O baka naman Ontiveros, hindi ka siguro nakapag-Google. Walang ChatGPT? Ha? Diba? yung thank you nga na sinabi ni Senator Pia Cayetano, ay hindi naman para iyon kay Senator Risa Ontiveros. Baka ang akala ni Ontiveros, siya ang majority floor leader. Pati thank you ni Senator Pia, kinikredit na. Ganito ba? Ganito ba ang magiging presidente ninyo, mga kakamping? Nakakahiya. Isa ba kayo sa nag-enjoy sa Bardagulan na Senator Pia Cayetano at Senator Risa Ontiveros? Ano ang inyong opinion? I-share mo na ang video na ito. Mag-iwan ng comment at like dyan sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.